show you a few things. First of all, talk about the guitar. I just want to point out a few things. These are called the keys, and they're used to tune the guitar naturally. And this is a nut. Yes, a nut. The bridge on the very end is called a nut. Each one of these bars is called a fret, all the way down the guitar. Okay, the body of the guitar. And back here is the bridge. First thing I want to do is I'm going to let you know that when you make a chord or play a note, you're going to press the string between the frets. So not on top of the fret. Okay, now that we got all the bullshit out of the way. Alright, I want to do something very basic, a basic blues. What's called a blues shuffle. But what I want you to do is, okay, let me point out. This is the first string, the very bottom string, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So when I say first string, I mean the bottom string. When I say sixth string, I mean the top string, and etc. So what I want you to do is on the fourth string, second fret. Okay, let's do fingers. When I talk about the first finger, it'll be your pointing finger. Second finger, next finger down. Third finger, and fourth finger, or pinky. So first finger on the second fret of the fourth string. That would be the fourth string from the bottom. And I want you to play the fifth string open, and then the fourth string on the second fret, like this. Okay, now I'm going to do this with one finger, and then I'm going to move. I'm using my thumb. You can use a pick. I probably should suggest that you learn with a pick. I never did, so I can't now. So it's probably better to learn with a pick from the get-go, and then it's harder to go back and learn with a pick after. But if you don't have one, it's okay to learn this little riff without one. And then I slide down, same string to the fourth fret, then to the fifth fret, then back to the fourth fret. So let me get a little closer shot of that, if I can. Okay, so I'm just pressing down on the fourth string on the second fret, and I'm playing the fifth string open, okay. You got to play that over and over again until you get the hang of it. next part of that is going to be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, playing the 4th string open like this. Same thing you did on the other 2 strings, then back to the other. Now you could start using one finger like I just showed you, but the ultimate goal is to start using your 3rd finger like this. Okay, hold on, I'm going to get a better view for you. Also go up to the next string, playing the 5th string, 2nd fret, and the 6th string open like this. Okay, so you got the basic gist of it. If you have to rewind, it tells you what fingers to put where, and but the reason I'm showing you this is because you play this over and over and over again. It'll get your fingers. You got to build a little bit of callus on your fingers because it's going to be sore. So now the amount of times that you do each one, so you would be, it's a 12 bar shuffle. Okay, so it's, okay, this would be 1. 2, 3, 4, down, 2, back, 2, and then up to the first 2 strings for 2, and then back to 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, it's 4, then 2, then 2, I think that's it. Now the reason I'm teaching you this is because it helps get your fingers where you want to be. Yeah, I showed you this to use your third finger like so. And once you get this and you're doing real good at it, I want you to go to your pinky and try that. You're not playing any of the other strings. Now let's look at this hand here, what I'm doing here with my thumb. Let's see. Using this thumb, basically, if you're using a pick, you'll be doing I actually have a pick that somebody left here somewhere. So hold on. Alright, it's stuck between the strings of another guitar. Okay. So if you're using a pick, you're basically just gonna let that. Okay. If you're just using your thumb, it's and the other thing I want to show you real quick. Now, that is a good exercise to do to get your fingers coordinated, to build up your calluses, and also if you happen to be around somebody who plays. If you do that, they'll be able to play leads with it. So if you know somebody who plays the guitar and you do this, they'll be able to play some leads with it. Okay, and I'm going to give you one chord of the day, which is the G chord, an open G chord. Third finger, first string on the third fret. Okay. First finger, fifth string, second fret. And let me move over so you can get a better look at this. Okay. So first finger, third fret on the first string. Then the first finger, second fret on the fifth string. Right. And then the middle finger or the second finger on the sixth string, third fret. So it should sound like this. Then play all the other strings open, and just those three fingers. Remember, this bottom one is on the third fret. first finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string, and the 2nd finger, 3rd fret. And that's what it should sound like right there. And what I'm doing is just strumming all the strings open. You can use your pick. Now, when you do chords, we're going to do a basic strum. We're just going to, first you're going to want to play all the strings. Make sure you don't have any hums or buzzes. If you do, adjust your fingers accordingly. You know, sometimes you'll be touching 2 strings at the same time, or not pressing down hard enough on with the fingers. But it should sound clean like this. And the strumming I want you to do is just tell you it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, wait a minute. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So that is a G. Like O-G. Okay, G. So if you get the little blues riff, the shuffle deal, just telling you some things that you're going to move into from that eventually. But, you know, the blues were the prelude to everything else, rock and roll. But you'll be able to do, you know, once you get that little blues riff, you'll be... That is just a little inspiration, okay? Stick to what to start with. Start with one finger, it's okay with me. But the ultimate goal is to use more than one finger. Practice, 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 practice till your fingers hurt. Okay? Have fun.